Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I am so excited to show you this. These are 60,000 diamond art beads, 60,000. They come in a bunch of different sizes, so you can get all different sizes, small, medium, large, and extra large. And you get 120 different colors. Look at all these beads. Okay. So they come in these long strips, and you do get this, I'm gonna call it a menu to help you figure out which color you want. So you can just look at the menu, and then you can find the number, and then look at the number on here. So these come packaged like your typical beads that you would get in your diamond art kits. But what I love about these is that sometimes you just need some more colors, or maybe you want to get a little original and make something on your own. So again, so many beads. Let's open one up and take a close-up look. So we're going to go ahead and open up this one. Got my scissors out. And I am ready. So these are beautifully packaged. And this is what you get. Look at those. Absolutely beautiful. Oops, I dropped a few there. So just really nice quality resin beads. So nice. Let me put these all back in here. So if you are looking to really get your creativity going, order these. You have so many beads, so many different colors in a really nice box that's going to keep you completely organized. Absolutely loving these. Check them out.